Alright, and this is the RØDE NT Mini USB microphone, around 15 to 20 centimeters away from my mouth. And this is the RØDE Mini USB microphone, roughly 10 centimeters away from my face. I've got it facing me, so if I type on my keyboard, which is slightly behind the microphone, we can see what it sounds like. These are the Cherry MX Blues, and they're notoriously loud. The keyboard's sitting roughly 30 centimeters behind the microphone. We can hear what it sounds like without me talking. And this is what it sounds like with me talking while typing on the Cherry MX Blues. Alright, let's switch over to keyboards. Now, I have the microphone facing me, and I have the Cherry MX Brown keyboards sitting roughly 30 centimeters behind the microphone. We can hear what it sounds like. And this is me talking while typing on the Cherry MX Browns.